One thing about us folks in the outdoor community is sometimes we tend to overcomplicate things. Like take knives, for example. You know, all the arguments about that. Basically, they have to be sharp and do what they need to do. Fire starters are no exception. Now, using paraffin wax and a number of different combustible things, sawdust, paper, whatever, you can make very cheap and reliable fire starters. Now, this here is nothing but a length of paper towel. You don't even need this much. About half this much would do it. Just roll it up. You can do a better job if you want. A little piece of tape just to hold it together. That's it. Get it in there. They're good. Right. Be careful not to burn yourself, of course. Don't need a lot of extra wax. Let it drain a little bit. Voila! No, it's rolled up terribly. But you can see a couple others I made. Quite simple. As you can see, it lights pretty easy. You could probably leave a little extra dry paper hanging out if you wanted, but I don't think it's necessary. But look at that. Hot, and it burns relatively long. That's just a rolled up paper towel. And you can modify this paraffin and combustible method any number of ways. Whew, getting too hot to hold. But as you can see, we can overcomplicate things, and this works very well, and it's cheap. Look at that. Sorry about all the background noise, guys. Look at that tall flame, hot. And once again, relatively slow. That's just one layer of paper rolled up.